Alright guys, so the ingredients that you're going to need is some minced garlic. You're going to need some no salt, diced tomatoes, basil, garlic, and oregano. You're going to need 2 cups of celery. I went ahead and cut it already. You're going to need some extra virgin olive oil, 1 green pepper. I chopped that up. You're going to need some carrots, onions, vegetable broth. You're going to need some cabbage in the corner. You guys saw in that big bowl. I used 2 bags from Walmart. Your spices, you're going to need basil, pepper, oregano, and black pepper. Alright guys, so the first thing that you're going to do is take that extra virgin olive oil. You're going to use 2 teaspoons in here. And then you're going to take your minced garlic and you're going to use 2 teaspoons of that as well. Oh, of course, the capo. And as you guys see, I already went ahead and just preheated the oven already, the stove, excuse me. So that once I put the oil in and everything, it was all set. So you guys saw that I went ahead and I put in a cup of each ingredient. That was the celery, the green pepper, the onions, and the carrots. Stirred it up and I'm gonna let it saute for just a little bit. I went back in. I put some extra virgin olive oil in there, just so things don't get a little too sticky. All right, guys, I'm stirring it up. The vegetables are sautéed. So now we're gonna move on to the vegetable broth. We are adding in 6 cups of the vegetable broth. I ran out, so I just added some water. If you guys are wondering why the color changed, there's nothing wrong with that. That's just diluting all the vegetable broth. Nothing wrong with that. You can make this recipe with water if you choose not to use the broth. So I'm just stirring it here. And as you can see, I added in the diced tomatoes, and I am adding in the main ingredient, our cabbage, guys. Like I said, I grabbed 2 bags of this shredded cabbage from Walmart. I thought this was great. Instead of having to chop up a head of cabbage, this was already done for me. I just grabbed 2 16 ounces, and yeah, guys. Comment down below if you guys are following us on Instagram. Comment down below, guys. Comment down below. All right, you guys see that I'm just mixing it up. And I went ahead and I turned down the stove from medium to almost low. And you guys want to bring your soup to this nice simmer. And we are adding in the spices here. I first added in the black pepper. Then I grabbed my oregano. I love oregano. It's so good. Then some basil leaf. A lot of Italian spices. I wonder if this soup originated from the Italians, because there are a lot of Italian spices in the soup. But you guys are going to go ahead now and stir the soup up, making sure that all the spices are well distributed. And you want to leave it for 5 minutes, guys, and let it cook. All right, and you see that simmer, guys? That's how you know that it's done. When that's done, you're just going to turn off the stove as I did. You're going to give it a nice stir so that the Everything, all the spices and all the goodness is well distributed throughout the soup. And voila, guys. This is the end result. You guys can enjoy the soup, and if you guys made it, let me know. Comment down below. And I thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.